2 of 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled. What you get finally? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. This is the value of tan 75 degrees, students. Tan 75 degrees. So tan 75 degrees equal to, that is 2 plus root 3. So automatically tan 15 degrees, we find tan 15 degrees, students, here. Then we conclude finally. Observe carefully. Tan A minus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. Sorry, here plus, here minus. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan of 45 minus 30 degrees equal to tan 45 degrees minus tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees. Okay, here observe carefully. 1 minus 1 by root 3 by, so again 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So finally what you get here, students? Then that implies root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, directly simplification. Rationalize the denominator, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So it becomes root 3 minus 1 whole square by, so root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So it becomes, here observe expansion. So that is 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2, directly, student. So 3 plus 1, it becomes 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 as a common factor, that is 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, it becomes 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So here 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3, student. That is the value of tan 75 degrees, tan 15 degrees, students. Then we find cot along with cot 75, cot 15 degrees, students. So cot of A plus B, cot of A plus B equal to cot B cot A, cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Okay, substitute A 45 and also 30 degrees, students. So cot 45 plus 30 degrees, then that implies cot 45 degrees into cot 30 degrees minus 1 by cot B. Cot B means that is here. First cot B here 30 degrees. Right, maybe no problem. But presentation is compulsory in nature, students. Cot 30 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. Okay. So observe, cot 45 nothing but 1, students. Cot 30 degrees, observe carefully. What you get? So first tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So that is cot 30 degrees means root 3 by 1. So it becomes root 3 into 1 minus 1 by, here also root 3 plus 1. It becomes root 3 into 1 nothing but root 3. So then that implies root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Rationalize the denominator, that is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So finally it becomes minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 whole square by root 3 whole square, and also minus 1 whole square. So then that implies 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2. So that is 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, students. That is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. This is cot 75 degrees. Then finally conclusion. So here also observe, students. Cot 75 degrees is 2 minus root 3, and cot 15 degrees. Cot 15 degrees equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay. This is the way of approachment, students. Right. Finally, we conclude that we are framing a table. Yes, T ratio also 15 degrees along with 75 degrees. So first one sin theta, next cos theta, sin theta where sin 75 degrees. So sin 15 degrees. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Again root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Again here root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 cos 15 degrees square. Next here root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next tan theta. Tan 15 degrees square. 2 minus root 3. Again tan 275 2 plus root 3. Okay. Next cot theta equal. So that is 2 plus root 3 by here 2 minus root 3 students. So framing a table, students, is very useful for higher education also. Right, students. And remaining we discuss next video, students.